There are 320 high school age kids here at the ICC. They are doing design thinking workshops. They're going to instill in them entrepreneurial skills and mindset.
The students might come away with two really great things. One is an understanding of entrepreneurship and perhaps a curiosity to look at that as an option after school. And the other is a bit of a toolkit for answering questions and finding out new information that we've been able to provide them through design thinking.
Yeah, for my future, I definitely thought about being an entrepreneur.
I reckon that's a yes for me too, because I just love that whole problem-solving aspect and just the creativity, and you don't really have many boundaries when you're in charge yourself.
I've seen a lot of laughter, I've seen a lot of silly ideas, I've seen a lot of really good ideas as well.
At the end of the day, the kids will have had an amazing experience interacting with actual entrepreneurs, solving real world problems, and they will go home with a sense that they can solve those problems themselves.